The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and toxins from our bodies, making kidney health essential for overall well-being. Kidney cleansing is a practice that involves supporting the kidney's natural detoxification processes to promote optimal function. So in this video, we will be exploring the significance of fruits in maintaining kidney health and delve into the top 10 protected foods known for their cleansing properties. Understanding kidney cleansing. Understanding how these fruits can benefit your kidneys and incorporating them into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to support your kidneys' health. Kidney cleansing is a process that involves detoxifying and supporting the kidneys to function optimally. It helps in flushing out toxins and waste that can accumulate in the kidneys over time, aiding in overall kidneys health. Role of fruit in supporting kidneys health. Fruits play a crucial role in supporting kidneys health due to their rich nutrient content, antioxidants, and hydrating properties. Including a variety of fruits in your diet can help nourish and cleanse the kidneys, promoting their proper functioning. Fruits are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, which are beneficial for kidneys function. These nutrients help in maintaining electrolyte balance, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall kidneys health. Antioxidants and phytonutrients found in fruits help in protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds also aid in reducing the risk of kidney damage and promote proper kidney cleansing processes. Now, let's check out the top 10 potent fruits for kidney cleansing. The one on our list is watermelon. Watermelon is known for its high water content and ability to flush out toxins. Watermelon is a refreshing fruit that supports kidney cleansing. Specific benefits of watermelon for kidneys health. Watermelon helps in flushing out toxins, as mentioned earlier, and hydrating the kidneys, supporting proper kidney function. 2. Blueberries. These are rich in antioxidants and low in sodium. Blueberries help in reducing inflammation and improving kidney function. What are the specific functions of blueberry, or how does it benefit the kidneys health? Blueberries reduce inflammation and provide antioxidant that protect the kidneys from damage. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. 3. Cranberries. Cranberries contain compounds that prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract, thereby promoting kidneys health and preventing infections. Cranberries prevent urinary tract infections and promote kidney health through their antibacterial properties. 4. Apples. Apples are a good source of fiber and antioxidants, aiding in detoxifying the kidneys and improving overall kidney function. Apples aid in detoxifying the kidneys, improving kidney function, and reducing the risk of kidney stones. 5 on our list is pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps in reducing inflammation and supporting kidney health. The specific benefits of pineapple for kidney health is that pineapple's bromelain content helps to reduce inflammation and support kidneys health. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help in protecting the kidneys from damage and promoting detoxification. Strawberries protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and aid in detoxification processes. 7. Kiwi. Kiwi is a hydrating fruit that supports kidney function with its high vitamin C content and antioxidant properties. Kiwi's high vitamin C content and antioxidants support kidney function and promote detoxification. Pomegranate. This is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to improve kidney function by reducing oxidative stress. Pomegranate's anti-inflammatory properties improve kidneys function and also reduce oxidative stress. 9. Cherries. These contain compounds that help in reducing inflammation and promoting kidney detoxification processes. Cherries reduce inflammation and support kidney detoxification processes. 10. Lemon. Lemon is a citrus fruit rich in vitamin C that aids in preventing kidney stones and supporting overall kidney health. We all know that citrus fruits are very, very good for the body. Talking about lemon, is it orange, is it tangerine? They are just good for our overall health. So, what's the specific benefit of lemon for kidneys health? Lemon's vitamin C content prevents kidney stones and supports overall kidneys health. Now, how do we choose and prepare kidney cleansing fruits? Choosing kidney cleansing fruit is as easy as picking out your outfit for the day. Go for what looks good and makes you feel great. Look for fruits like blueberries, cranberries, and apples that are packed with antioxidants and have a natural diuretic effect on your kidneys. When it comes to preparation, keep it simple. Wash your fruit, slice it up, and enjoy it as it is, or throw it into a smoothie for an extra kidney boosting kick. Who said fruits have to be boring? Spice up your meals and snacks by adding kidney boosting fruits into the mix. Throw some sliced strawberries on top of your oatmeal, blend up a refreshing watermelon smoothie, or even get adventurous and try a mango salsa on top of your grilled chicken. The options are just endless, and your kidneys will thank you for the delicious treats. In conclusion, incorporating nutrient-rich fruits into your daily diet can be a flavorful and beneficial way to actually support your kidneys cleansing and detoxification process. Remember, small changes in your diet can have a significant impact on your overall well. So, savor the goodness of these planted fruits and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. Well, this is where we call it a wrap for this one, friends. Thanks for sticking to the end. Please drop a comment. Let me know what you think about the video. Share and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Stay informed, stay healthy. Hope to see you in the next video.